just record it. Yeah, forget the pictures.
I was like, where the cars at?
Oh my goodness.
That means we close 3 minutes away. Yo. Damn, I feel so slow in this damn car.
That's okay, we'll keep up.
Perfect on gas though.
Yeah. They might have to stop and get gas.
Oh, look at this view.
Yeah, this is what we came for.
Yes.
A Huracan Perfect. I like the Performante. That's what I want.
That white too?
Yeah.
That spec? Damn.
No, we gotta go, bro. Oh my goodness.
Oh, just listen to the sound. I gotta roll down my window. Oh, motorsport. Oh yeah, we're right here. Okay. Damn. That's a squad. That's a squad. I like that.
Oh my God.
That's definitely flames. You know they're heading to Pittsburgh.
That's so crazy. Alright, what's going on YouTube? Don't worry, we're about to get into the video. I just wanted to make sort of an introduction or say a few words before we get into it. To be honest, this Savage Rally, or whatever you want to call it, I think it's the Savage Rally as part of the Savage Garage YouTube channel. They have their own rallies and they partake in other automotive rallies and whatnot. This was like a pre-meet, I guess, for their rally, so they weren't, from what we saw, they weren't just getting on the highway heading to another state. They had sort of a meet before they got back on the road, and it's safe to say that it was overwhelming is probably the word I would use. You know, seeing Lamborghinis and whatnot is always just like crazy because that stuff is not what I get to see on a regular basis. And so it started off with those first couple clips that you guys probably got to see, the cars on the highway, a few Huracans I think it was, and a 458 Ferrari, and the rest of the meet was just ridiculous. I really wanted to just make an intro here because to be honest, I didn't know how I wanted to put this video together. I brought the camera with me, obviously, when we went to the meet and recorded as much as I could. It actually turned out to be a lot of footage, a lot of photos, which I'm happy with, just for the memory, and that's really why I have this YouTube channel, but I'll touch on that in just a sec. But not all of it will be in the video just because, you know, we were pretty excited, to be honest, while filming. And so I really wish I had spent more time just enjoying the moment, but I didn't go there expecting to film anything for this YouTube channel. So we kind of just, I would just turn the camera on at random moments and whatnot. And so some of the footage just, you know, it's still like usable or good footage, but just won't make it to this YouTube video. So last but not least, back to what I was touching on there. Experiences such as this, I was talking about it just the other day, another experience I had. I actually talked about it on my Instagram account. I almost didn't get to go to this trip also with Lamar, who I'm so thankful for to have pushed me to go. I almost did not go because it was, not to say last minute on his part, but he had told us, our buddy Warren and I, before, but I just didn't have it as an actual thing that we were going to. And long story short, I almost didn't go, would have missed out on it, and I had a great time. It was amazing. You know, everyone feels a little bit differently about car meets and stuff on YouTube and social media. But for me, seeing all that stuff was amazing, from the burnouts to the supercars to some of the cars that you just don't get to see all that often, and builds and all that kind of stuff that are pretty cool, like Mustang builds and whatnot. So I took videos and photos of other Mustangs too, of course, because I'm just a Mustang fan and I'm a car fan, and I don't know, man, I love this stuff. And even if it's not your interest or hobby or passion, I'm a big advocate for having a passion and some kind of purpose. So yeah, man, enjoy the video. I will see you guys soon. I'm really pushing myself to be more consistent, if you can't already tell. I think I have the camera sideways, but this camera is very heavy. So I'm going to wrap things up just by saying enjoy the moment, and remember that the experiences are invaluable. I don't take that for granted, and you got to live every single day that way, make the best every single day, and chase your goals, all that kind of stuff, but none of that matters at the end. So see you guys soon. I'm trying to do 2 uploads a week. That's what I'm thinking right now. I'll talk about that more in the next video, like a more consistent schedule I'll have and all that kind of stuff for this YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, if I can speak English, I always try to rush all that together. Remember to share the video if you want to support, leave a like, and yeah, see you guys soon. More stuff for the more updates for the Mustang coming soon. See you guys. The technique? Got to.
Damn, so much is pulled up since we came over.
Oh my goodness, so much is pulled up. Yeah.
15 songs. You didn't just buy custom. You made it better. 12. How did they get all over here so fast?
That wide body.
That wide body. The wide body. Another one back there. Oh, look, 2 of them. Another Hellcat.
It's slim body though. You okay? You okay with that?
Can't have it like that.
No slim body. Oh, and a Huracan to top it all off. Lord have mercy.
And it all goes down like that's why like the facilities
I should have brought my Huracan, man.
Nice stance on that.
I like this red one though.
We gotta change the wheels.
Sure.
The wheels are coming in soon. The wheels.
No, not the goat.
The wheels gotta
Yeah.
come in soon. God, that Pagani scored. Damn.
I don't know. But there's just too much going on.
A lot of GTRs out here.
Finally, get to see some GTRs. Lord have mercy.
another plan.
Oh, this is the Tesla plot? That's alright. That's alright. That's a new Tesla?
Yeah, that's the flag. That green sounds good as hell.
Yeah.
That's what I just said.
It's been a GTR though. He was younger than you, bro. Trust me.
Alright, so what I need you to do is make the right by where you see the Infiniti dealership. You see Macy's on your right, then Cheesecake Factory.
I gotta take a picture from the car.
You gotta get a picture of
I'm
him?
gonna put you against the fire lane over here.
I'm gonna take a picture of the dog. My girlfriend loves these. That's the real show right there. With the green lights, that's dope. See if I can get a picture of it. That black one right there, tile letter. Man, you should have brought out your Twitch Turbo RE so we can see something to shoot flames, you know.
Man. Need more money. Look, GT3 RS.
This is crazy. See if I can get my picture up.
Alright, you wanna go over? Try and catch it.
Oh my god, I just realized it. I thought that was the same car at first. This one was right here. I think it's
Hey.
that GT3.
RS. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy, bro.
This is hard work. Imagine being an actual, like, them kids would be hard at work if they up here. And know what you about to miss.
Man.
With the carbon ceramics. Yes.
What's going on, man? That's the car we want right there.
It's perfect.
Only car. There's just too many cars out here, bro.
Yeah,
It's too much. Look, they're parking way out there. Great day. There's my car.
I do that.
All of them, you know?
Excuse me, sorry.
Yeah, of course. So you're good. You're good.
I can't even get the picture. I'm just staring at it.
Oh, that's okay. I got you. I got you.
I didn't even notice that in front of me.
GT2 RS?
You already know.
Oh, look at this. Oh, and a black Huracan. Yes, sir.
I've seen so many Huracans on the street.
And a GT4?
GT4. Like the same guy from earlier.
Might be a different one.
Sort of, kind of.
Sort of, kind of. Nah, yours looks just like one.
Yeah. So that sounds good.
Yours sounds better.
Back?
Yours sounds better. For sure. Yours, yeah, come on. Your exhaust is way louder.
I like that spec with that Huracan.
I just want a Huracan. C63 AMG sounding like that. Great day.
I'm trying to like stand over here so I can see what's coming in.
Shelby GT500. Lord have mercy, bro. This is past crazy, bro. Like I want to go to that Aventador. Oh my goodness.
The black one.
The black one. You know I love
that
that.
man,
Yeah.
black